So in the previous session, we learned about vals, how to define a val variable. And now we're going to learn how to define vars in Scala. So if you want to reassign something values to a variable, you should define vars. So that's how it works. The keyword is var, the message, and then the value, right? It works exactly like val. You can also specify a type if you want. Remember, we had something like var x if you want it to be from the type string equal to hello. So if you need to, you can also specify the type, but if not, it's exactly like var. The only difference is you can assign values to var, but you can do it to val. Let's just do a quick example in Scala. Okay, so message one was val. I'm just gonna change it to var, right? Printed. And then here, I want to say change message one value to change me. Guess what? I got no error. And now if I print this, let's see what we're going to get, right? So we're expecting message one in the beginning to be a low Scala and the second one be change me. That's all you need to know about the val. Is basically about var and val. And if you understood that these two sessions that we just had, val and vars, you are one step closer to be a pro in Scala. Thank you.